taken from your mother, too young to understand. Love was never gentle in your trembling hands. A home built on resentment, cold and unkind, always made to feel less left behind. Childhood stolen before it could begin, raised by a woman who never let you in. You learned silence before you learned to cry. Still you carried hope in your eyes. Then betrayal came wearing family's face. They sacrificed you without shame, without grace, thrown into darkness deeper than fear, never once caring what it would cost you here. Even with Baran standing guard by your side, breaking himself so you could survive, pain still found you unfair and wrong, a fate you never deserved at all. Chains on your hands, fear in your breath, not knowing who lived, not knowing who left, crying for justice into the night. Still you held on to what was right. Oh, Dilan Karabey, merciful soul, wronged by life before you were whole, yet they could not harden your heart. You chose love from the start, in pain, in fear, in the unknown dark. You kept the flame, you kept the spark. They tried to break you, steal your way, but mercy lived and stayed. You gave chances when none were earned, believed in people who never learned, saw the good even when it hurt, paid for love with lessons burned. Soft by nature, gentle and kind, yet never weak, never confined. When it came to protecting the ones you love, you became fire rising above. Kindness is not surrender, gentleness is not fear. For those you love, you'd face the end.